Cut pencil thick stems into 6 to 8 inch long cuttings. Use a mixture of potting mix and river sand. Take a small pot with many drainage holes and fill it with the soil. Water soil thoroughly to wet it at all the places. Applying rooting hormone or aloe vera gel on the cutting will speed up roots on the cutting. Lightly scrape the bark at the lower end of the cutting and apply rooting hormone. Make a hole in the soil and insert the cutting about 2 inch deep. Do not push. You can plant more than one cuttings in the same pot so that a few may root. Enclose the pot in a plastic bag to make a mini greenhouse, creating high humidity around the cuttings. Place the bag in shade at a warm place. Open the bag every week and mist water on the cuttings or add a few drops of water in the soil. Close the bag again. Cuttings will root in a few weeks and new leaves will grow. Try slightly moving the cutting. If it is resistive, it means roots have started to grow. Otherwise, no roots yet. Continue in the bag for more time. You may see some roots coming out from bottom holes of the pot. When 2 or 3 sets of leaves have grown, you can open the bag and expose the cuttings in morning sun for 2 weeks. Then transplant the cuttings in pot or ground. Please subscribe to my channel to watch my other videos and also hit the bell icon to get informed when I post new videos.